300 subscribers, and I know it's not a million, but to me, it feels like standing in front of a crowd of 300 people all cheering for me. And the truth is, every single one of you matters. Every single one of you clicking that subscribe button, it's not just a number. It's a belief, it's a hope, it's a little spark that keeps me going. When I started, I didn't even know if anyone would care. I didn't know if anyone would watch. And yet, here we are, 300 people and counting. You might think it's small, but for me, it's everything. I remember the first video I uploaded. It was messy, it was raw, and I stumbled over my words, but I uploaded it anyway because I had the idea in my heart that maybe, just maybe, someone out there would watch and feel something. Someone might see themselves in my journey, my thoughts, my struggles. And the first few days, there was nothing. Zero. Silence. Doubt. I wondered, am I doing the right thing? Am I wasting my time? But then slowly, a subscriber appeared. Then another and another. That first subscriber, I remember feeling like I had won lottery. And now 300 subscribers later, I realized something important. It's not about the number, it's about the journey. It's about showing up every day even when you feel invisible, even when no one is watching. Because every small step you take, it matters. Every effort counts. Every little bit of courage you put into your dream is building something that will matter tomorrow. To everyone who has subscribed, shared, commented, liked, or even just watched, thank you. I mean it. You're not just a number on the screen. You're a part of my journey, part of my life, my story. And to all the new creators watching this, I want you to know, your first 10 subscribers, your first 50 or 100 subscribers, they are milestones. They are victories. They are proof that you are moving forward. It doesn't matter how fast it happens or how many people see it. What matters is that you keep creating, keep showing up, keep believing in yourself when no one else does yet. I want to share something that changed the way I see everything. Comparison is the thief of joy. When you see creators with millions of subscribers, it's easy to feel jealous, to think, life is unfair, they did it, but I'll never get there. But what if you flip that thought? Instead of jealousy, what if you saw hope? Draw inspiration from them. If they could do it, so can you. Let their success be proof that it's possible, not a reason to doubt yourself. Because the truth is, even the biggest creators started where you are now. Small, nervous, unsure. But they stayed consistent. They showed up day after day, even when no one was watching, even when they doubted themselves, even when it felt impossible. And if they could rise from nothing, why not you? And that's exactly why 300 feels huge to me. Because it represents courage, consistency, and hope. Every person who clicked subscribe believed in me, in my work. And that trust, it fuels me to create more, better, deeper. So if you're a content creator or chasing any dream, remember this. Your first milestones are sacred. Celebrate them, honor them, let them remind you why you started. My goal this year is 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. And yes, I want to get monetized. But more than that, it's about proving to myself and to anyone watching that dreams can be built step by step. That consistency beats talent when talent doesn't show up. That belief beats fear when fear tells you to quit. And I want you to take that same energy into your own journey. Whatever you're building, whatever you're dreaming, keep going. Don't let small numbers fool you. They're not small, they're everything. So thank you, truly, to everyone who is a part of this, who is a part of my journey. To every subscriber, every viewer, every person who believed in me before it felt real. Thank you. You're not just supporting a channel, you're supporting a dream, a journey, a story. And to all the new creators watching this, I hope this gives you hope. I hope it reminds you that small steps matter, that consistency matter, that your first 10, 50, 100 subscribers are not just numbers. They are a sign that your dream is alive, that it's worth fighting for, that it's worth showing up for. Keep showing up, keep creating, keep believing. Now, if you want to see why I have started YouTube even when no one was watching, or how I have uploaded over 500 videos and why I'm still going, I've shared all of that in my other videos. You can check them out next. Trust me, they might just give you the push to start or keep going on your own journey. Let's grow together. Let's keep creating, and let's make 300 just the beginning. Here's to the next milestone and every single step along the way. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Thanks for tuning in, guys. That's a wrap. This is Ananya signing off with a big virtual high five. Keep shining, keep striving, Excelsior.